Hello, my DIYers out there. Thank you for stopping by Erica Michelle Construction and Interiors. We are glad that you stopped by today to see what we are talking about on this page, on this channel. However, let me just introduce Erica Michelle. Wow, this is I. But anyway, what is there to know about me? What there is to know is that I have a passion for beauty and creativity. I would not pretty much term myself as an artist. I would probably say I'm a multi-potentialite. Google that up because that's what I did to find out what I am. I have many interests, many talents, and many passions. But how did I get here? I don't even know. I have friends and family, and I've always just posted my stuff on my Facebook page, and they say, well, that's good. You should start this. And I'm like, you don't let people push into stuff. But hey, I figured that if I have something to share, maybe I should be sharing it with people. So here I am. How do I start? What's my process? Normally, my process is I'm working on a room or something in my house, my own house, that I just want to make nice and comfortable and pretty much customized to my use. A lot of people take a space and they're just, well, it's the living room and, we should just do what everybody else does. But that room has no function for your family. So what I would say to you is take the time to find out how you use your space. That's number one. Normally, when you're into that thought process, you come up with something and you're like, okay, off to the store I go to go find what I'm looking for. And then you get out there, it's not the right shape, it's not the right color, it's not the right size. So what are you going to do? I'll tell you. You get you some power tools, because that's what I did. And I used to go out and buy all these tools at once. I bought the tools that I needed for the job. I looked at other YouTubers, other DIYers, wrote down my construction plans and my list of my supplies. And ladies, I got busy and I taught myself how to do some things because you know why? Nothing beats a failure but a try. So what we're going to do here is show you a couple of things on how to make your home the way you want it, not the way others have had it. Because sometimes it's just a color that may be off. And sometimes it's just not spray paint. Sometimes you may need to sand something. So whatever we need to do, we're going to get the job done. And I'm going to show you how. So stick with me. We're going places. Thank you. Bye-bye.